Time of the turn. Here they come. They were off. Mr. Famous going for the lead. There goes Dudley on the inside, and Dudley now has the lead, but Mr. Famous drives on him on the outside. Second, Bryant Gimble is right there in third. Landlord perked on the outside, followed in the turn. Yuppie Society, it's Meadow Dart. Impressive Bird and properly motivated. Your leader to the quarter is Dudley. It's Mr. Famous in second, 3 lengths back to Brian Gimble. They're by the first quarter, 29 seconds flat, and Dudley has the lead. Mr. Famous closing the gap, second, 3 lengths, Brian Gimble. In third, Yuppie Society. First over on the outside, followed by Impressive Bird, Landlord, properly motivated, and Meadow Dart. Approaching the half-mile marker, Dudley leads the way. Mr. Famous is right there in second. Yuppie Society is on the outside, followed now by Brian Gimble. They're halfway home. 58 and 4 into the clubhouse turn. It's Dudley with the lead. Mr. Famous is getting the trip second, but Yuppie Society is trying to come on the outside. Followed on the inside is Brian Gimble. Impressive Bird. Now they curve into the back stretch. Dudley leads the way. Mr. Famous is right there, but Yuppie Society under the crack of the whip. Now third, second on the outside, 3/4, 129, and here comes Yuppie Society, and Yuppie Society takes the lead. Impressive Bird moving right with him on the outside. Now they're an eighth away. It's Yuppie Society. Impressive Bird looks him right in the eye. Here they coming down the stretch. Here comes Impressive Bird with a rush. Impressive Bird under the whip. Yuppie Society, their noses apart as they hit the wire. Those two at the wire. And that is a photo. Please hold. All